Okay, this one's been in there forever. I want him to go to the battle bridge. Will they ever go up there? It's a little bit harder, I can see. Yeah, he came on his own. Wait, oh. What the? He fell off himself too? No, you can't do that. See, they do that when they're changed. They fall off by themselves. They didn't even battle.